Welcome to my channel, Crafting with JoAnn Barrandey. Friends, today's a good day to smile and be happy. And let's create something. Let's craft today, friends. Thanks for joining me. Friends, before we get started, I'd like to thank my friend Kathy Lightfoot for the sprinkles that I'll be using on today's project. And guess what? I don't have a sample made, so we're going to do this together. Trial and error, because you know me, it'll be okay. Let's get started. It's going to be something that you can use as a gift or something for your tier tray. First thing that you're going to need is a little terracotta pot. And I found these cute little slender ones at Michael's. I don't find them anywhere else except Michael's. And I just like the size of them. They look kind of like a little drink cup or something. So you're going to need one of these. And I base coated mine in white. And now I'm going to paint it yellow.
What yellow are you using here?
I am using apple barrel yellow.
Perfect.
And I'm not shaking the bottle, so Eric won't get on to me.
Well, nobody can see, can't focus.
Oh, you know what? I was just going to put it right on the project. Look at that. And it's going to take 2 coats of this, to tell you the truth. Maybe that wasn't such a bright idea to do on camera, but it worked for me off camera. Never fails. Oy. Okay, this is going to turn out so cute. I got inspired by this idea that I saw on Pinterest. I saw it last year actually, but I didn't get to work on any bee stuff last year. I don't think we made anything with bees last year, did we, Eric? I don't remember.
I don't believe so. I think you went pretty hard on the Easter stuff until everybody was tired of Easter.
I think that's what everybody's doing right now. They're a little bit more.
I'm tired of Easter, and I thought it ended last month. I didn't realize it was at the end of this month.
And that's so sad because that's the most important holiday of the year for me. And all my Easter decorations that are outside on my door and everything. We have had so much wind, friends, that it has just battered everything outside. It's like we live by the beach. Okay, after you give it one good coat, you're going to let it dry before you put another coat on there. And I just kind of go over. It's not going to matter on this part because it's not really going to show. And just set it aside so it can dry. I'm going to set it right here because I already have one ready so that we can get started, so that we can go ahead and detail. This is what it's going to look like after you've got your 2 coats of paint on it. Really good.
How long do they usually set out and dry? It just depends?
It depends on how thick you put the paint on, but not very long. Because you know me, I'm over anxious, so.
Right.
All right, I'm going to detail this with one of my little bees that I made in my last video, or was it the one before? And I've got a little wooden sign that said happy that I just painted. And this came out of a little package from Crafter Squares at Dollar Tree.
Can you hold it a little lower? No, a
lower?
little lower. Yeah, I was trying to get, because you had it in front of your shirt, so it was just blended in.
Oh, it's wooden, and I just painted it black and sprinkled glitter on it. Okay.
But you were also mentioning too that you could use like your Cricut to make a.
Oh yes, you can
either
use
a stencil and paint it, or just stick the sticker on there.
Yes, you can use your Cricut, and you can. I'll tell you in a minute what else you can do with it.
Endless.
But endless possibilities. As I was showing this to Eric, I was telling him what I was going to do, and I said, you know, it really doesn't go on there the way I would want it to. It doesn't curve down, and he said, well, why don't you, when you put your mold in the freezer and you pull out your bee, why don't you mold it to the pot and put painter's tape around it, lightly around the front, so that it can mold, the shape can mold to the pot. And I thought, oh, that's
and the important part I was going to say is that the sticky side is out, so that way you don't...
Oh, yes.
That way the adhesive, not that it's very tacky, but it doesn't stick to your final product as it cures.
And that's a great idea. So yeah, Eric, that's going to work just great. All right, I'm just going to glue. I'm going to decorate my pot first because I don't want to mess it up with my, I'm just going to, I really don't, I think I'm just going to put just a generous amount right there. I think I'm going to put it right there. Look, it's looking cute already. I get so excited. Because like I said, I just kind of saw an idea like this last year and I'm kind of trying to visualize it in my mind. And I think, where does the word happy need to go? Be happy. Like this, Eric?
Yeah.
This way up?
It looks good from back here, from behind the camera.
Okay, so I'm going to do this. Yes.
They'll let you know in the comments.
Comment below and let me know. Hey friends, let me know where you're watching from. I just, it's amazing.
Also, if you're enjoying noticing anything different from camera one, it's because we got a new lens for it.
Yes, so excited.
Get a lot more nice background blur. The lighting's a little bit softer looking.
Look at that. See, if you had your sticker, your, like if you made your Cricut little sticky saying happy, or you could even say, or you could say the word queen and put your bee here, queen bee. That's me. All right. So now I'm just going to, I already had this little bow made for something else, and I'm just going to use it for my little pot here. It's just a simple little bow, and I'm just going to put glue right there on it, and let's see, I'm going to put it oh my goodness, look at that. That's looking so cute already. Now I hope I don't mess it up with the rest. Okay, so I'm going to take, I took a cylinder of an empty toilet tissue roll and I trimmed it just enough to fit in there and still leave an edge. So I cut a little bit off of the top. Now I'm going to hot glue it to the bottom. Okay, and then I just used an empty ribbon spool, a spool of ribbon, just the end of it, and I covered the little hole up, and I did trim it to fit in here, but you can turn it upside down, trace it, and then cut inside of it to make it smaller until it fits in there. So now I'm going to glue this piece inside. I'm always thinking about little gifts to give somebody. This would be so cute. Whether they have a tier tray or not, they could put it on their desk, they could put it on their counter.
What are you even making besides, like, I know you're decorating this pot, but because I haven't even seen it, you didn't mention, what are you making?
I'm making a little craft, a little gift, or a little tier tray gift. I don't know, Eric. I'm just
asking.
I don't know what to call it.
Well, I'm sure we'll figure out a title.
Yep. Okay, and I took my spackle, and this is from the Dollar Tree because I need to get rid of some of that before I use some other one that was sent to me. And I mixed the spackle with paint and a few squirts of water from a spray bottle, and then I take my stick and I swirl it around and mix it really well until I get it to the consistency to where I can work with it. And this black was hard to do because I had to put so much paint in it to get it to be black. So now it's kind of all whooshy and stuff. So just want to let you know on that part. Whew. I hope it works. I think it will. We'll make it work. I think it's going to be like a little dessert cup. There goes the black layer. Ugh, it's kind of wishy, but it'll be okay once it dries, I promise you. Okay, then I'm going to use my yellow. That I have prepared. Gosh, it is so windy where we live, friends. I don't know about where you live, but we've had terrible winds. You can hear that wind just a gushing outside. All right. Let me start at the back. Well, that's about as good as it's going to get. I know I got too much in the back, but it'll be all right. All right, I'm going to leave it alone right there. Oh, this is so cute. It's not even finished yet. You'll see, Eric. Okay, now I'm going to use the white. This is ready. Oh my goodness, mercy me. This is so cute. And I'm going to leave that alone right there. I know I got more white on this side than that side, but I'm going to fix it, and I'm going to show you how in just a minute. No worries. Now I'm going to use these sprinkles that my sweet friend Kathy Lightfoot sent me. Put sprinkles on here. Oh, too stinking cute. I want to save them because they're expensive. These are the good kind.
That's the ones you've been holding on to.
I know. How's it looking?
Looks good. Let's make it.
Oh, this is too cute with a little tag on there. Okay, I'm going to top it off. Oh, glitter, glitter. What was I thinking?
I was wondering.
If it don't shine, it ain't mine. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you grabbed onto that too hard.
Yeah, I did. I pressed it in the wrong place.
I wish you wouldn't have used straight edge stuff on a curved surface.
Well, I meant to tell you to cut me out a happy with the sprinkles, but since I just thought of this last night. Oh my goodness, look at this. Too cute.
Now, it would take some pre-planning, but you could have made that happy fit even with it being wood. You could take it in hot water, you soak the wood, and you could wrap it around, same thing, tape it down, and the hot water will loosen up like the wood and make it malleable. Yeah, I used to shape wood stuff
Where were
back
you
in the
last
day.
night when I needed that idea? Okay, friends, I just had these little picks, and these were from a little cake kit from Walmart that I used for a birthday or something. And that's might be an option for you. They used to sell the little picks at the cake department. I don't know if they still do or not. I'm going to find out. But that's where these came from. And I held on to these. And I think I had them left over from some cupcakes that I made. And I'm just going to put that. Oh my goodness, that is too cute. Now over here where it's a little, where I got too much on one side more than the other, I'm just going to stick a little flower. Well, maybe not there. Let me see. Maybe I'll stick it right there. Oh my goodness, look how cute. Cute, cute, cute. I don't think I'm going to stick another bee in there, because I think that's enough. What do you think? What do you think, Eric?
It turned out nice. I still don't know what it is, but it looks good.
Well, that black is going to continue to come down because it's a little sloshy, but it's going to work just great because
it has like that runny chocolate,
yes,
like fudge effect.
Yikes. Whoa. Whoa, that black is, man, I'm going to tell you something. Dyeing that black was not a good idea.
Well, hey, you'll never know until you try it.
I better quit while I'm ahead. How was this right here? I'm going to quit while Eric can still get a picture of it.
Yeah, because we have nothing for the beginning of the video.
Friends, it'll be okay. You just don't do what I did, okay? Just make it your own. Maybe it doesn't need the black. Maybe the white and the yellow is sufficient enough. All right. But it'll be okay. Once it dries, it's going to be so darn cute.
You definitely need the black, because if you had the yellow there and no black, it would just blend into the pot.
Okay, so do the black. Just, you know what? I should have added something to it. I should have added, they say cornstarch or baby powder when it gets too thin and runny like that. So that's a tip for you, from me to you. Don't do what I did. Anyway, friends, here you go. This is today's craft. All right, and I just wanted to give you a sneak peek at my Easter chick earrings, okay? They're not, I still have to put the resin epoxy on them, but, and I didn't do it last night because we went out with some friends and I had a margarita, friends, and I got sleepy when I got home, sorry. But anyway, they're so cute. Here, Eric, can you get a shot of them? Look, they're gonna be so cute. I'll post a picture of them. I just think they're adorable. I'm real pleased with the way they turned out. Okay, friends, this is it for today. Today is a good day to smile and be happy, even though your craft is melting all over the place. Love you, friends. Sending you crafty hugs, because you know what? They're the best. Love y'all.